Welcome to the Career Channel. Describing your biggest weakness in a job interview can be a challenging task. However, it's an opportunity for you to demonstrate self-awareness, growth mindset, and the ability to overcome challenges. At the end of the video, we give you an example of the perfect answer to give. First, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to best describe your biggest weakness effectively. Let's get started. Choose a relevant weakness. Select a weakness that is relevant to the position you're applying for. It should be something that you have genuinely struggled with but have taken steps to improve. Be honest but strategic. It's important to be truthful while discussing your weakness, but also present it in a way that highlights your ability to address it. Avoid mentioning weaknesses that are essential for the job or would raise serious concerns about your competence. Show self-awareness. Start by acknowledging the weakness and demonstrating that you are aware of it. This shows that you have a realistic understanding of yourself and are open to personal growth. Discuss efforts to improve. After acknowledging your weakness, explain the specific actions you have taken to address it. This could include seeking feedback, taking relevant courses, or adopting new strategies. Emphasize your commitment to personal development and highlight any progress you have made. Highlight learning experiences. Share how your weakness has provided you with valuable learning experiences. Discuss how overcoming this weakness has helped you develop new skills, become more adaptable, or improved your overall performance. Showcase results. If possible, provide examples or evidence of how your efforts to overcome your weakness have yielded positive results. This can demonstrate your ability to turn weaknesses into strengths and your dedication to continuous improvement. Emphasize your strengths. After discussing your weakness, transition into highlighting your strengths. This helps balance the conversation and leaves a positive impression on the interviewer. Link your strengths to the job requirements and explain how they compensate for your weakness. Stay confident and positive. Throughout the discussion, maintain a confident and positive demeanor. Avoid sounding overly critical of yourself or dwelling on your weaknesses. Remember, the goal is to showcase your self-awareness, growth, and ability to overcome challenges. Perfect example. My biggest weakness is that I am not drawn to leadership by nature as I am an introvert. However, I have been taking steps to work on this and I have already made good progress. I realize that historically I have had a tendency to avoid conflict or challenge behavior. But I recognize this and I'm addressing it through practice. By following these steps, you can effectively describe your biggest weakness in a job interview while also presenting yourself as a motivated and self-improving candidate. Remember to practice your response beforehand to ensure it sounds natural and authentic. For more interview tips or information on job roles, please see our other videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.